I'm your Komali ma'am. In this video, one of the biggest and good news for all of you that regarding fee structure for the ultimate 90 days chemistry crash course. This is a 3-month course. You are going to learn in the month of one second. You are going to learn in the month of January, February, March. 3 months entire chemistry from basics to the depth. You all know the importance of classes, and continuously I am getting so much like love and affection from the old batch students that ma'am, we want to continue for even chemistry crash course as well. And new batch students, new students who want to enroll also, they were like, ma'am, because of the fee structure I'm not able to join, but just I love your classes. I know that in a 90 days from scratch level to the depth of the concepts I can learn from you, but only thing is my father is so and so, or my mom, this is a condition, this is my family situation, please do something. These words made me to think like, see, we put as a teacher, every teacher put the efforts. Okay, I can understand. I'm giving a lots of efforts for the students so that the worth and value is there for the course. But still, if I just turn my days back and if I see how I started the classes, that day you standed with me, that day you supported. Our channel reached this stage only because of your love and support. By keeping all this in my mind, I have taken one biggest decision. This is even applicable for the students who already enrolled, who already studied. So that offer is just class 11th chemistry, 3-month live coaching, weekly 5 days classes, personal guidance. These are not the classes 1 in 50,000 students, 1 in 10,000 students. No, hand-holded classes, personal interactive classes where you can clear each and every concepts in a simple, crystallized manner, that even if your teacher scolded you for your less marks in the class, even you come challenge for you how well you do in a chemistry. You average students, below average student, you are a topper, you want to excel highest mark, this is the right course for you. Class 11th chemistry for a 3-month duration, live classes, weekly 5 days classes, Sunday personal doubts clearance session, exams, notes, DPPs, practice sheets, everything. 15,000. Class 12th chemistry, live classes, personal guidance, Sunday doubts clearance sessions, DPPs, notes, practice sheet, everything included, 50,000. Okay, total is 30,000. Who and all already enrolled by paying 30,000 rupees to the Komali Ma'am Academy? For you, there is a good news that along with this, physics, class 12th physics batch is recently completed. 3 months of live classes, recently finished the batch, which worth 15,000 rupees, absolutely as a complimentary gift for all the students who enrolled. Along with this, class 11th physics recently batch started, just few days before the batch started. 3-month live classes for physics, that is also complimentary. Suppose you are the student, you joined chemistry as well and you already joined physics as well, or you are the student, you don't want physics, or you are already good at physics, then for you there is an alternative, that chemistry NCERT line to line batch, class 11th chemistry, which worth 8,000 rupees, absolutely complimentary. And class 12th NCERT line to line explanation chemistry, 8,000 rupees worth, completely complimentary. Either you can select physics, either you can select chemistry. So for 30,000 of chemistry, here you are getting 30,000 rupees around, complimentary of physics classes. And if you select NCERT, you are getting this. And not only this, another biggest offer along with this, test series. those who are enrolling Komali Ma'am Academy, you no need to go anywhere from now on for the test series, entire physics test series, entire chemistry test series. For your preparation, you can select us. Now your NEET examination is just a few months ahead. And if you are a main student also, you can opt our classes. Okay, NEET students who are worrying like, ma'am, I am very close to the examination and fees is the obstacle. From now, fees is not any more obstacle. You are completely welcome. New students who want to join, who have that strong aspiration and determination to get a highest mark. Come on, let's attend classes and get good marks and make your teachers and Komali ma'am and your parents proud of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. To enroll in the classes, new batches, you are welcome. We will give you our WhatsApp number here, 9110662880. Please message to this number, take the details of the classes and you can start attending. Already students who enrolled, all these offers will be applicable to you according to the batches you are selecting. And one note, these are not applicable for the students who selected single track. Only class 11th chemistry, only 3-month course I have selected, only 15,000 I have paid. These offers are not applicable. Or only class 12th chemistry I have joined, single batch joined students, this offer is not applicable. This offer is applicable only for the students who joined entire courses and entire chemistry and who are going to join for entire chemistry. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.